on to watch this because it's so crazy.
Hi, how are you? I hope you're having a good day so far. I'm probably sharing something very similar to you that, like a lot of men out there, a lot of people out there, but particularly a lot of men out there, we're struggling with mental health, especially now in 2026. And I just wanted to leave this very short and brief message with you saying it's going to be alright. You got this. Keep going.